In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar alert me. By the end, your computer will nudge you at the right time so you never miss an event. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so Calendar can load your schedules. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots, and choose Calendar. This opens your Google Calendar in a new tab. Once Calendar loads, look for the gear icon near the top right and open Settings. In the left sidebar, find the section labeled Notification Settings. This is where you control how alerts appear on your computer. In the Notifications area, click the drop-down menu and switch it to Desktop Notifications. When you choose this, your browser may prompt you to allow notifications for calendar.google.com. Be sure to click Allow so your system can display alerts. Also keep in mind that desktop notifications rely on your browser and operating system settings. So if you use Do Not Disturb or Focus modes, you'll want those turned off during times you expect alerts. And for desktop notifications to appear, keep your browser running in the background. While you're still in notification settings, look for the option to adjust snoozed notifications. This controls how long a reminder waits before pinging you again after you snooze it. Pick a snooze length that fits your workflow. A shorter snooze is helpful if you just need a quick nudge, while a longer snooze is better when you need more time to wrap up. Next, move to the Event Settings section in the left sidebar. Here, choose Default Duration. This sets how long new events last by default, which helps keep your schedule accurate and ensures alerts make sense for your typical meetings or tasks. Select the duration that works best for you, anywhere from 15 minutes up to 120 minutes. You can still change the duration for any individual event when you create or edit it, but setting a default keeps things consistent. That's it. You went to Google, opened Calendar, turned on desktop notifications, customized how snoozed reminders behave, and set a default event duration. If your alerts don't appear right away, double check that your browser has permission to show notifications and that your computer's notification settings allow them. You can revisit these settings anytime to fine-tune what works for you. Now your Google Calendar is set to alert you reliably, so you can focus on your day.